Hi. So today we're touring Intersected O in the Shaw neighborhood. Beautiful new construction townhomes in Washington, D.C. And if you're not familiar with the Shaw neighborhood, we're going to take a look around just to see what's right outside your front door. So here we are at the front of the townhomes. I'm going to show you some photos first, give you some information, and then we're going to do a tour together just so we can get a feel. And if this is something that you like, I'd love to give you more information. Today, we're going to be checking out this 4-bedroom and den, 3-bath, powder room, 3,245 square feet of interior space, 677 square feet of exterior living space townhome. This is the last townhome at Intersect at O, and its list price is $2.1 million. Now, this also comes with a garage that is built to accommodate EV charging stations should you need that. Okay, we're starting off in the foyer with a nice open concept that flows into your kitchen effortlessly. Look at these clean lines. Now, this stove is an induction stove, and induction appliances are up to 3 times more efficient than a gas stove and up to 10% more efficient than conventional smooth top electric ranges. I love how flush everything is. Here's the back view. Let's head over to the elevator. I can't get in there. It does go up to all floors, and there is a powder room on this level, so I just didn't show it. Here's your first bedroom, 2 closets, barn style door, full size washer dryer, laundry room. I would build that laundry room out so beautifully. We have a full bath with a soak-in tub. I'm going to go over here. We have a linen closet. And then this space over here is special. It's almost giving you like a loft vibe, looking over so you can see into the foyer and get a lot of natural light coming in. I would use this as a workout space or an office. It kind of just depends on your vibe. Let's head over to the next level. I love these pocket doors. It makes the space feel larger. And also, it just brings a clean lines, clean cut. They really made the most out of all of this wonderful space. Let's go over to the primary. Okay. I love this standalone tub. They have the double vanities, full length mirror, separate glass shower. Gorgeous. This is everything a primary bathroom should be. It has a linen closet separate, and of course, the toilet is separate as well. Let's take another look at this tub and the shower. Can you see yourself living here? Yes, we have the waterfall. Let's move over to the primary bedroom. Now, this is the primary room. So it has 2 walk-in closets, a balcony, and it is a lovely size, especially for something in Washington, D.C. And this is facing the front, so you get a lot of that natural light in this room. And this street right here we're looking at is 8th Street. All right, let's head up. So this is your entertainment space. Beautifully done. There is so much room up here to have an ample size party, watch party, fight party, whatever you want to do, entertain, like cocktails. So you have your wet bar, and then on the other side, we have our entertainment area and outside deck rooftop. We're going to take a look at this bedroom, and then we're going to head back over. So this level does have a full bath as well. And get some different angles of this just so you can see it. And I really like how their floor plan has a mix of both tub and shower. So you can kind of pick and choose where you want to stay as far as in this massive townhome smack in, Washington, D.C. So we have a fireplace out here, a gas grill, and hookups for a outdoor television. And you can see it's facing the front as well. So you get that nice view And it's just a really cozy and comfortable feel that you just really you don't get in DC. So it almost takes you out of DC and places you somewhere else. It's luxury. All right, so let's do a little bit of a street tour. You have the grocery store right on the corner, so you do not have to drive to get some food. Okay, so there's no problem, no worry. Down here we have the Cambria Hotel, and also if you purchase a townhome, you have access to a nearby building's amenities, so gym, spa, etc. Please let me know if you have more questions about that. You're walking distance from multiple Michelin star restaurants, and it's just a really nice place to be. If you have more questions, comment below, contact me. Here are the 9 Michelin restaurants um, within walking distance from your home. You couldn't ask for anything better than this for city living. This is city living. Subscribe, like, share, save, and put your notifications on for more.